Hello YouTubers. Today we're going to try to fix a fractured Polaris booster pump. Let me show you what we're talking about. This is my Polaris PB4SQ booster pump, and it has developed two cracks, one on the left hand side of the housing right there, and one on the right side. Now you can see there's some little drill holes there that I have covered up with a material that I tried to patch it with, and it did work pretty well, but it has sprung a leak. And since then I have been in contact with a different company that sells a product that is specifically designed to repair HDPE material, and this pump appears to be made out of HDPE. So let's get started. I'm going to start by turning off the electricity over here on my panel. Then I'm going to go run and get some tools real quick. We're going to take this pump apart and take that housing off. Now this is the material that we're going to use. It's called XT Tech Patch. It's a 3 by 9 inch patch. It's this material here, which is very, very flexible. It's way more than I need. I'll probably cut this into maybe two small pieces, about 1 inch by 1 inch, I believe, but I'm not sure. I'm gonna have to figure that one out. You're supposed to sand. You're supposed to sand the surface and get it pretty rough. I don't know whether to put it on just the outside or to put it on the outside and the inside. This is the inside, and obviously I've got to get rid of this material that I've used already to try to patch it, and I'm doing that with a wood chisel. This working pretty well because this other material does not really stick at all to the HDPE, but you can see as I use this chisel how it just comes right off. And I'm going to get all of this off, and then I'm going to sand it, and then I'll come back. Okay, so my housing that I have repaired from my first repair job is holding fine, but then it sprung a new leak on the bottom. Same exact thing as on the top, so I am going to patch the bottom as well. I've drilled out 2 holes, I've sanded it down. I'm going to remove a little bit more of that ridge that's on there and sand it a little bit more, and then I'm going to patch it. Okay, you can see I added a second patch to the bottom. There's a little bit of ooze out there, but it's actually stuck pretty hard, so I'm not going to worry about it. This is actually more in the nature of an emergency repair, since I'm going out of town for 3 weeks and I need something just to hold until I can get back and get a new part ordered. Okay, so I waited till the next day to double check the pump. You can see it appears to be leak free. There's a little bit of water up on top because I had a loose top hose there, and I tightened it up. It's not leaking at all now. I think I replaced it. Not the prettiest repair in the world, but I do believe it's holding. I just need it to hold long enough so that I can get a replacement pump housing, which are on back order for 6 months. But anyway, that's how to repair the Polaris PB4SQ booster pump housing using this new product that I have located.